Welcome to Jungle Harris. Here you will see a lot of plants everywhere. You will see a mess as well. Not no more, baby, right? Not no more?
I'm gonna get there.
We about to take care of this. So guys, as you guys know, we've been waiting for some thin bricks and we did find some. Yeah! So we're gonna finish up these floors, but not before we finish this outside,
Right,
in the side of this house.
Alright, so guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna clear this totally out, get this cleaned up, get this weeded up. We have some bushes going in, and you wanna clear out just everything, make this look nice.
Believe it or not, when we first moved here, you could not see.
There wasn't even a sidewalk
No.
here. And this whole,
We actually found that.
Yeah.
Because it was just really bad.
Weeds.
I wonder if I could find a picture, we'll insert it here. This was really, really bad. Even this over here was horrible. So, yeah. Now we just gotta clear these things up right here and start making this look nice.
We'll get there.
Weed.
We're halfway there.
Weed shall get there.
Weed shall get there. Good job, Gracie. Good job, Boo Boo. Good job. Fist bump, yeah.
Baby, remove that second door.
High five.
Good job, baby. Good job, Boo Boo. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys.
Go ahead,
Come on,
Justin.
Justin. Let's see what you got.
Come on, Justin.
What's he got?
Go,
Come on.
Justin.
Power. Come on. Power. Hey. All right. Come on, Javen. Come on, Javen. Your turn. Don't your brother show you up. Oh, come on. There you go. There it is. Oh. Come on, Nani. Good night.
Come on,
Oh,
Nani.
let's see Nani. Let's see if Nani's got it. Uh-oh.
Let Javen do it. Go, Javen. Do
Go
it.
ahead. Oh, there you go.
Good job, Javen.
Oh,
in.
Nani.
Good job, Nani.
Teamwork. I like
That's
that,
it.
baby girl.
Teamwork makes a dream work.
Now give it to Javen so Javen can put it in the
Whoa, there it is. There it is.
You got it?
Teamwork. All right, yep.
I got too much
What
room.
are you planting? What are you planting? My
There,
trees?
Not over there.
Planting a trees?
Over here.
Oops.
There's nothing to do.
All right, let's pick that one up and we'll throw this one out.
We love these plants. Unfortunately, we don't have a green thumb, so we don't want to keep anything that we're going to keep killing because it looks awful. It looked nice for last year with the azaleas. And it looked, maybe it looked nice for
Those
how long?
were, yeah, just for a little while.
It looked nice for like 2 weeks, and then they died on us.
Yeah, I think we should get plants that have like that don't need that much sun and that much water.
And there goes hubby, etching. It's etching, right?
Edging.
Edging.
I don't know what you call it, but this is what the landscapers do. I'm not a landscaper. That's what they do.
But it's looking good though, compared to what it was.
Yeah.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of debris that we picked up.
That tells you it needed to be done.
Guys, when we moved in here though, this was bad. Like I'm telling you, it was the worst. It was like a jungle.
Come on, come on, walk them through. All this was all.
Why didn't you just throw that like that, you mess? You're not even done.
Oh,
Did you just see the way
oh,
he just threw
show
that,
them how
guys?
it is.
Nah, finish your work. He can't multitask. I tell my husband this all the time. He is the worst. He cannot multitask. He cannot talk and work at the same time. He has to stop.
Who wants to talk and work at the same time? Yeah,
Every normal person.
gotta get that point across. All right, we're good here. I'm gonna spread this out.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger.
Yes, guys, the last shipment of brick came in, and now I'm ready to get this done. A little bit of water, a little bit of this. Where'd you come from? What's up, Bobo?
But you're painting.
I'm not painting. This is thin set mortar. I'm mixing it.
Oh.
I'm mixing it.
Is that you did?
Yeah, this is my drill. This is called a drill.
Drill. Is that red?
Yeah,
It's red?
It's red.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who bought it?
I bought it.
Oh, you bought it?
Yes, I bought it. Yes, I bought it. Yep. So I'm mixing it. No, this is the water. This is, see, this thin set mortar is dry.
Goodbye.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hand and put some water in, okay? That's good. Mix is good. You want to see here? You want to press the trigger? Go ahead. Go ahead. Press it. Whoa! Whoa! All right. You put the drill away. Okay. Okay. So this has been an interesting morning. I went grocery shopping, right? Me and you went grocery shopping today. We got food for the breakfast, for lunch. And I had a few more interruptions, as always. And now I'm just getting started with this, but we're gonna get this going. I'm gonna be happy. Can't wait to get this done.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Are you ready, you button?
Yeah. Hey, how you doing? You got me more?
You could put anything in it, basically. You could put books in it.
Yeah.
You could put...
I love that.
Actually, could I help you? Daddy, are you working?
I'm working.
Okay, are you painting?
No painting.
Daddy, Julie, what you made?
You want this dessert, don't you? You over here because you want. You can't step over there, boo boo. It's still wet.
Oh,
You can't step on it. It's wet.
oh, it's red?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Go. Go ahead. Go over there. I gotta go to work.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be interviewing Greg and see what he's going to say about the bricks and about the whole thing of here. So, Greg, what are you going to be doing with the other extra bricks?
So this is what I'm gonna do here with these extra bricks that I have. I'm gonna measure and cut for this spot that I have to fill in here. The brick here is 2 1/4 inches long, wide. So I measure. What we have here is about 5 inches. Here is about, it's a little under 7. So the same thing I do here, 5 and 7.
5 and 7 inches.
And then I make my cut. That's gonna be my cut right there.
Right there.
All right.
That's actually pretty cool. So now I'm gonna see the cut. So see you guys later. Greg's gonna be cutting.
Let's go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Daddy, I drink your juice.
You drank my juice.
Yes.
Oh my
I got ya.
God. You got me?
Yeah.
I got you.
No, I got you. I got you.
Oh my God.
You not got me.
Did you take her limbe?
I want it.
Give it back to Julie.
She
Julie
takes
made it.
all.
She drank it all. This is what I put up with. Okay, now that I dry cut all my pieces, I'm not gonna worry about trying to apply thin set on each and every one right now. I'm gonna get all my pieces cut, lay them all in, and then come back and thin set them all.
Guys, Greg has done it.
Woo!
Greg has finished the floor.
Yes, it's looking really good, looking good, looking good. Check it out. Whoa, yes, it's looking good. We're gonna seal it, then we're gonna grout it. I think it's gonna come out fantastic. Yes, right. So we got lots more DIY coming next week, lots more projects. See you next week, baby.